Hello students, I am Aisha Munshi handling math subject for 4th standard. So student, we are learning our first chapter, name is fractions. So student, in this chapter we learn fractions, types of fractions. Here is like fractions and unlike fractions, equivalent fraction, and we learn cross product of two equivalent fractions. And we solve first exercise 1.1 based on these concepts. Now we are learning unit fractions. In this concept we learn proper, improper and mixed fractions. So student, in exercise number 1.2 we solve first exercise unit fractions, mixed fractions, proper fraction and improper fractions. Now we are going to solve second exercise, write as mixed fractions. First example is 27 divided by 4. 27 divided by 4. We have to convert this as a mixed fractions. So student, here is first example 27 divided by 4 and the answer is, converting this into mixed fraction we have to divide 27 by 4. We have to divide 27 by 4. Let us divide here. Here is 27. Four in twos table. In fourth table, can we get the number 27? No. And the less than 27, here is here is number 24. 4 6 24. So student, 27 minus 24, how many remains? Here remains 3 numbers. Remains 3 numbers. So student, in this division, 3 is a whole number. Sorry student, 6 is a whole number part. 6 is a whole number part of the fraction. Remainder 3 is the numerator and 27 is the denominator. Sorry student, 4 is the denominator here. 6 is the whole number of fraction. 3 is the numerator and 4 as it is a denominator. Right here, 6 is a whole number part of fractions. 4 is the denominator and 3 is the numerator. And how can we convert in a improper fraction? 4 6 are 24 plus 3 equals to 27. And here we convert this fraction into mixed number or mixed fractions. Here second exercise is 18 divided by 7. 18 divided by 7. So student, here second exercise is 18 divided by 7. Convert into mixed fraction. Convert into mixed fractions. So student, for converting this into mixed fraction, we have to divide 18 by 7. Here 18, right here 18 and here 7. In 7's table we can get the number 18? No. So student, le- uh, so student, we get the le- uh, so student, we get the 14 numbers by multiplying 2. 7 to the 14. 18 minus 14, how many numbers remain? Here remain 4 numbers. Here remain 4 numbers. 7 to the 14. 18 minus 14 remains here 4 numbers. So student, here 2 is a part of whole number. 2 is a part of whole number, whole fraction. 7 is the denominator and 4 is the numerator. 2 is a part of whole fraction, whole number of fraction. 7 is the denominator as it is, and 4 is the numerator. Right here 2 4 divided by 7. 7 is the denominator as it is, 2 is the part of fraction, whole number fraction, and 4 is the numerator. 7 to the 14 plus 4 equals to 18. Let us solve one more fraction. Third one is 15 divided by 8. So student, what we do? Converting into mixed fraction, we have to divide number 15 by 8. So student, here we are going to divide number 15 by 8. In 8's table we did not get the number 15, so we have to divide 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. So student, we have to minus number 8 in the number 15. Then how much numbers we can get? 15 minus 8 equals to 7. By dividing 8 numbers into 15, we get the answer 7. Here is here remain number 7. 1 is the whole number of fraction part. 1 is the whole number of fraction part. 8 is the denominator as it is, and 7 is the numerator. 1 is whole number of fractions, 8 is the denominator as it is, and 7 is the numerator. Right here 1, 7 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 plus 7 equals to 15 divided by 8. Understand? Let us solve second exercise. We solve second exercise. Next, third exercise is write as improper fraction. Write as a improper fraction. First, A is 3 1 divided by 4. 3 1 divided by 4. So student, I write down here. First exercise, 3 1 divided by 4. 3 1 divided by 4. Write as improper fraction. Write as improper fraction. So student, converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to, first step is multiply the denominator of the fraction with the whole number of this fraction. So student, which number is the denominator of the is multiply the denominator of the fraction with the whole number of this fraction. So student, which number is the denominator of the fraction? Number 4 is the denominator. So student, first step is number 4 into, which is the whole number? 3 is the whole number. 4 into 7, 3. 4 into 3, sorry student, 3. First we have to multiply denominator and whole number. So student, 4 3s are what we get? 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Then we had to add the numerator of the fractions. We have to add the numerator of the fraction. Which is the numerator? Numerator is this one. So plus 1 equals to what we get? 12 plus 1 equals to 13. We get the 13. So student, this is the numerator of the fraction. This is the numerator of the improper fraction, and the denominator is right as it is. Improper fraction is 13 divided by 4. What we get? The answer 13, and the 13 is the numerator of the fraction and denominator right as it is. Let us solve one more exercise or example. Second example is B 1 2 divided by 5. 1 into 2 divided by 5. Let us solve this one. B is 1 into 2 divided by 5. Convert into improper fraction. For converting into improper fraction, our first step is multiply the denominator of fraction with the whole number of fraction. Here denominator is 5. 5 into whole number is 1. Right here 1. 5 into 1 equals to 5. Then we have to add numerator of the fraction. What is the numerator? Numerator is the 2. 5 plus 2 equals to, we get the answer 7. And our answer is the numerator of improper fraction. Our answer is the numerator of improper fraction, and the denominator right as it is in the fraction. Here is denominator is 5. Right here 5. Answer is 7 divided by 5. So student, in second exercise we solve 3 examples. In third exercise we solve 2 examples. Remain examples you have to solve as your homework in your maths notebook at home and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.